Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we are introducing the Join node of PolyAnalyst. This node is designed to join two input datasets that share one or more columns, producing a new, combined dataset. Data analysts also use it to append new information to the original dataset. Let's take this car information dataset as an example. Suppose we want to know the mean weight of each vehicle model and append this new information to each record. In this case, first we need to create an aggregate node. With this node, we aggregate the weight column based on the model column and select the mean value as the output. For more details on configuring this node, you can check out another tutorial video we made. So this aggregate node produces a dataset with 305 records and 2 columns, sharing the model column with the original dataset. Next, we create the join node. When the first connection is created, PolyAnalyst will ask you to specify the role of the dataset. The second connection will be made without specification. And during the configuration process, these roles can be changed. The node will auto-detect and select all columns shared by both datasets as the join key. We can also manually add pairs of columns as part of the key, even if they don't have the same name or values. Moving to the second tab, we can choose the join type here, or how we want to keep the records from each dataset. In this case, since the right dataset is derived from the left one, these 4 options will produce the same results. There are also some extra settings for numeric data below, but they are less commonly used and we can leave them as default. Once the key and join type is configured, the next step is to select the columns to include in the output. All columns from both datasets are listed on the left. You can move the columns that you wish to exclude into the area on the right, either by dragging the columns or using the arrow buttons. And here's the output. A new column appended to every record of the original dataset. Okay, that's all for today's introduction to the join node. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.